We're gathered around the campfire today, and we're going to do some good old hobo-style cooking. I did some of this when I was in the Boy Scouts a long time ago. Basically, you just wrap a bunch of stuff in foil and throw it on the fire. It's good stuff. Let's take a look. Alright, so we're making our campfire foil potato beef thing. So I just got a normal potato. I'm gonna dice it up a little bit. And so I'm looking up recipes online. It says I need butter and oil, and I don't have that. That is a real bummer. But I bet the fat from the ground beef will be enough. Alright, so we got the foil. I haven't used this in a while. Yeah, so we'll put our potatoes in here. Some broccoli in. We'll try some carrots. We'll see how that goes. Just put a couple in. And then we get some onions and mix of stuff. I like a lot of onions, and this has peppers and things like that. It's just a Walmart mixed diced stuff. And then here's the big experiment. I'm gonna try some nice ground beef. I'm gonna break it up a little bit. So this is a real experiment because I don't know. All the cooking times are different, things like that. And this is gonna be an interesting video. Interesting experiment, you guys. All right, so let's see how I'm gonna wrap this up. We want it to stay together. This is going to be very interesting, so I'll put potatoes down. I kind of did this in the Boy Scouts, so we'll see how it goes. Probably cook time about 40 minutes. All the recipes that I found online were like, preheat your oven. It's like, nah, this is Campfire. Now we just sit back and relax near the warm flame for like 30 to 40 minutes, give or take. Potatoes take a while, so it might be closer to an hour even. This is the perfect time to have some good conversations with your camping buddies. Okay guys, this is going to be the exciting reveal of, looks like I got some cracks in the stuff, and there's ashes and stuff, but probably should have triple wrapped it in foil, but I think it'll be fine. I don't mind eating a couple bits of ashes. We got oh baby, now this is what it's about. This is it. Beautiful. I just can't believe I wasn't doing this every night. It is absolutely looking delicious. I don't even have any spices or anything on it. It's just the vegetables and the onions and the things like that and the peppers. How can I do this without making a huge mess? I could go like that and then flip it, possibly, outside of this. And you see the ash all over that. That's not what I'm trying to eat. So you got a little bit. So I didn't use any butter or anything, which are recommended, or oil, but the fat from the, I want the skin, I want that. But the fat from the meat, I actually have, it's like 30% pork, 30 or 70% beef, like lean beef. What a great combo. Fantastic. This is how to do it. Here is my sauce bag, which is the sauce from mostly Taco Bell, but I also have some barbecue sauce in there and some ketchup from what other restaurants I go to. So we're gonna get some fire sauce, because that's what I have the most of and what I like the best. There's also some mayonnaise and barbecue in here and all types of fun stuff. We're gonna do fire. And it was delicious. Highly recommend. You can basically put anything in tinfoil and throw it into the fire to cook. Give it a shot next time you're out camping and let me know how it goes. Thanks for having dinner today with me, guys.